Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to my sewing room. I'm going to demonstrate how to make this really pretty shawl and this neck scarf, and they're both no-sew projects. So let's get started. It's really important that you select loose weave fabric, and I'll show you in a moment what that is. Then for the neck scarf, I recommend you cut it 10 inches wide by 66 inches long. The shawl, cut it 20 inches wide by anywhere from 72 inches to 80 inches long. It all depends on how you want to wrap it around your body. If you like to wrap it around and up over the shoulder, you probably are going to want to make it 80 inches long, otherwise you're going to be struggling. Here is the fabric that I am using. It's a polyester fabric and it's very, very soft. There was really no name on the fabric, so but I did buy it at Joann's. So just ask them where they're loose weave or it's easy to pull on the threads. And so for instance, here's a thread and I'm just pulling on it and it comes out really, really easy. So that's what you want to do, is look for those loose weaves. So when you're testing the fabric, or make sure you test the fabric, at the raw edge, pull on one of the strands a little bit to see if it comes out easy. I recommend when you're making the fringe that you make the length of it anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. I made mine 1 inch long and I found that it worked really well for me, but you might want it longer. To make the fringe, all you need is a straight pan. And remember, this only works on loose weave fabric. So when you're in the fabric store looking at your fabric, wondering what you're going to pick, try to pull a thread off at the end. Just pull on it, and if it comes off really easy, then you know this technique is going to work. So on a long edge, this is the shorter edge, but I would pull something out in the middle, hold one in and pull, hold the other in and pull. It just took me 5 minutes to finish this one end, and this is the number of, well, I shouldn't say number, I don't know how many threads, but this is what I've pulled out so far at one end. On the real long edges, I'm still starting in the middle, and I'm still able to get out about 2 at a time when I'm doing this. So again, just pull out 2. I find if you pull out too many, it gets just jammed up. So if you pull out 1 to 2 at a time, then it goes really fast. I finally finished. All in all, both the neck scarf and the shawl took about an hour each to do, and you can see these little piles here of thread. This is what came out of both of them. For more beginners clothing sewing projects, play this video all the way to the end until a green screen appears, and then click on the links. If you like this video, click on thumbs up and then click on share to share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Click on that little bell and enter your email address so you receive future email notifications about my latest video. If you haven't received those emails, check settings in your iPhone and turn notifications to the on position. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. Glad you came to my sewing room. See you next time, and happy sewing!